Hi everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. Today on our Christmas series, I'm going to show you something very simple, but it will wow your guests. So we are going to be making chocolate cups using balloons and melted chocolate, and these are cups that you can then use to serve your dessert. For example, you can serve your ice cream, you can serve your mousse. All these have been made before on Alice's Kitchen, and we are going to put the links for you in the description box. So to start off, we are just going to melt our chocolate, and then I'll show you how to make the cups. So I've melted my chocolate. I've got, both are baking chocolates. This is just the brown one, and this is white. And I've also prepared this tray where I'm going to sit the balloons, and then now we're gonna do our balloon. So what you do is you dip on one side, then take it out, let the excess come off, and I'm going to do a mixture. So I'll dip into the white and then let the excess drip off, and then the last side, you can also see that it's making a nice shape, and then you just let the excess drip off. And then once most of it has dripped off, you will bring it. I think I'll just redo that white bit. And then now you just come and you press it to sit on there. So now I'm just going to pop them in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. You just want the chocolate to set, and then you take them out. So now our chocolate has set, and you need to let the air out slowly. So use a pin to just poke at the top. You can see the balloon is shrinking, and it will release the chocolate. Then you just remove the balloon, and you have got your nice little cup. So we've got our cup, and I have got ice cream that I made. I'll put the link for you, and I am just going to grab some ice cream and put it into my cup. And then just to make it look nice, I am going to decorate the ice cream. Add some sprinkles. And there you go. You've got your dessert that will leave your guests wowed. And you can serve with different things. You can use your chocolate mousse, like I said. You can even put a fruit salad in there. Just enjoy.